I've been at Modine for 22 years.
Close to 20 years.
I've worked at Modine for 36 years. There's so much chances for advancement in this factory.
I started here as a second shift supervisor and worked my way up through the plant and went to the quality position, and then eventually worked my way into the plant superintendent role.
I've done access panels, I've done burner boxes. I just had my 1-year anniversary, and I actually applied for a fire tester position, and I'm gonna be starting that soon.
It's endless. You know, you have a chance to do what you want to do. You put the time in and you can do anything in this plant.
They're always looking for good, dependable employees. All you have to do is just show up with a good attitude, ready to work, and you will be able to climb.